What if I told you that you could make fresh, delicious, restaurant-quality cheese in your own kitchen using just 2 simple ingredients? No special equipment, no complicated cultures, just pure kitchen magic. Today, let's make homemade paneer. The secret to the perfect paneer is simple: fat content. You'll want to use high-quality whole milk. The fresher and creamier, the better. Low-fat milk simply won't give you the yield or the rich, velvety texture we're looking for. Step 1. Heat the milk. Pour 4 cups of whole milk into a large saucepan over medium heat. Bring it to a gentle, steaming boil, stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Step 2. The curdle. Once the milk is boiling, turn the heat to low and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar. Stir gently. Within seconds, you'll see the magic happen as the milk splits into solid white curds and a watery yellowish liquid called whey. If it doesn't split fully, just add another splash of acid. Step 3. Drain and rinse. Line a colander with a clean muslin cloth or cheesecloth and carefully pour the curds and whey through. Once drained, rinse the curds with cold water. This cools them down and washes away any lingering tangy lemon or vinegar flavor. Step 4. Pressing. Gather the corners of the cloth and squeeze out as much excess liquid as you can. Twist the top, place the bundle on a flat plate, and put a heavy weight on top, like a cast iron skillet or a stack of cookbooks. Leave it to press for about 30 to 40 minutes. Unwrap the cloth and you're left with a beautiful firm block of fresh paneer. Just slice it into perfect cubes. Now, what do we do with it? First, you can make paneer tikka. Marinate the cubes in spiced yogurt, thread them onto skewers with peppers, and grill until beautifully charred. Second, try palak paneer. Gently pan-fry the cubes and simmer them in a rich, vibrant green spiced spinach sauce. Or third, go for a classic butter paneer. Cook the cheese in a creamy, velvety tomato and butter curry. Fresh, homemade cheese, made in under an hour. If this little kitchen hack just upgraded your dinner plans, hit that like button. And for more simple ways to master the kitchen, make sure you subscribe to another how-to guru. Happy cooking!